How to activate Virgin Money credit cards online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate Virgin Money credit card online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for my.virginmoney.com/au. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Activate Your Card option you see there. You will now be asked to enter the 16-digit credit card number, so go ahead and enter your 16-digit credit card number. Once you are done entering the credit card number, tap on the Continue button and further follow the on-screen prompts until the end, and with this your Virgin Money credit card will be activated successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.